everyone, this is Vibushi from Top Channel Tales by Vibushi. So I have been looking through the YouTube that everyone is doing what's in my bag this video. So here I come with what's in my bag, and basically there are two bags. I got this bag from Westside. So this bag came along with a Chotu bag. So this is a camel brown bag which I got from Westside. So let's see what's actually in my bag. So let's start with this bag first and then we go with the another bag. So let's see what I have in my this big wala bag. Okay, so the first thing is I always need it. Then I don't carry much stuff, right? So okay, then I carry this diary. It's like more of a planner, and this diary is very dear to me because this was gifted to me by like my friend, my bestest friend Aditi. And this diary has a top cover note which says, "Work is a better place because you are in it." So that's a compliment by her to me. Love you, Aditi. Okay, so next thing I have is a comb. Next, the most important thing, a wallet. Like without which you cannot move out of your house, in which I carry my cards, my cash, not cards actually, I should say a card, and my cash, as well as it has pictures of my parents in it. Then a small clutcher is there, that's it, and that's it. I don't have anything else over here. Okay, so this was my bigger bag. So now let's move on to the Chotu bag. Okay, so as we are done with the bigger bag, so now let's start with this Chotu bag. Okay, so this bag has almost a like similar structure to this bag, to this bigger one, as it has this single chain, and again just that tote structure but with a sling through. A single chain and again a small pouch in which you can keep your छोटे-मोटे things. Okay, so now let's see what do I have in this. Actually, I had to put back my wallet in this because wallet is what you carry everywhere. So whether it's that bag or this bag, you have to carry your wallet. So first thing is wallet. So I'll not talk much about this because that we have already covered up. Okay. So second thing is this tissue paper, and recently I went to CCD with my sisters, and like there we were sitting and I was just scrambling through this, I was just doodling around. So this is something which I was making, just time pass. Then third thing, this is a pouch, or you can say a small box, chain box, in which I carry my hands free. So this is actually not mine, this is my sister's. I took this from her because mine one is a blue color and I lost mine. So yes, I'm really careless, so I lost things very easily. Okay, so fourth thing is the moisturizer. So this is a Johnson's Baby moisturizer. So because of winters, I'm using this moisturizer. Like it your hands, your face. You need it, most probably I need it, I know that I need it because I have a very dry skin. Okay, so I'm taking out two things parallelly. For my sweet cravings, because I have a sweet tooth, the sugar packets, 2 sugar packets, these are from CCD. Usually I carry sweets or chocolates or biscuits. Then again, hand sanitizer, as I said that we do need a hand sanitizer because of hygiene purpose. So let it be any bag, any pouch, you should carry a hand sanitizer. Okay, so this is a Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion perfume. So this is a perfume again. This is, so both my bags have things which have been gifted to me, like by my friend Aditi. So that has a diary and this has a perfume. So I just love this perfume. It's a very elegant smell. She got me last year. Yeah. Okay, so I have 3 clutches in it. I carry lots of clutches and bands, but this time I have only 3 in this because I do feel like sometimes changing my hairstyles. I don't know why I'm so much obsessed with my hairstyles every time. 2 pens. Whatsoever bag I do carry, let it be any other bag that I have in my almirah, in my cupboard, I always carry pen. You never know when you need it. See, I said I carry lots of bags and clutches. So in that pouch I have another clutcher because I have already opened my pouch now, and the back thing is over. So in that pouch pocket, the first thing was a clutcher. Second thing, like I said, you should carry mint. Again, the same impact mints which are sugar free. Those were the icy mints, and these are the fresh mints, the basic black ones. Actually, मुझे mints की आदत पड़ी थी when I was working in an MNC like few years back. Okay, yeah. Again, clutcher. I don't live without a clutcher. God knows how much hair do I have on my head. It's so thick. See, here comes two more sugar packets. See, I said I always carry candy or something. I have lots of sweet stuff in my bag. Okay, so this is some bills. Some bills which I have. Okay, so this is a perfume, Beverly Hills perfume. This was also like gifted to me by one of my friends. So it's like a body roll-on perfume. It's not a spray. Okay, so these three, again, two are the lipsticks and one is the lip balm which I carry in this bag. So this is a Nivea Cherry Shine lip balm which I do carry because of winters. It's not only about winters, like summers or winters. You have chapped lips. Okay, so two shades, two lip shades. This is an L18 Colourpops matte and the shade is R31, which says Rose Day. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a pink shade, a dark pink shade, but I do apply my lipsticks either with my finger or with a brush. So just one single layer. This is my favorite color, Lakme 925. It's a Lakme 925 range and it's the weightless matte mousse and the color is Rose Touch. Rose Touch, this color. So like when I was working in my previous organizations, one of my colleagues, she got that color and I was so impressed with the color. So since then I am applying this shade whenever I feel like. I love this shade. छोटी मोटी कुछ और चीज़ें इसमें पड़ी हैं, वो भी हम देख लेते हैं क्या है. ये बैग मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से खोला भी नहीं है, एंड ये मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से खोला नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखा नहीं. उसका प्रूफ भी है मेरे पास. And I still have this because I got it. Okay, so I have a hairpin, a bobby pin, one more hairpin. एक 5 का coin है, 5 रुपए का और एक रुपए का coin है. So I have 6 rupees in total. So I carry these are my studs which I love the most. So these are the studs which are like 4 years old. And these are since then these are with me. I just love these. This is also empty. कुछ नहीं है, बस थोड़ा सा कचरा गिरा है. Okay, so this was the segment what's in my bag in which I covered up both these bags. Whatever stuff I have, you can see this is from the छोटा bag. छोटे bag में ज़्यादा सामान है and बड़े वाले bag में कुछ सामान था. So alright guys, so thank you for watching what's in my bag and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Top Trending Tales by Urvashi. Thanks for watching. Love and peace.